We use math model to represent economic theory or economic model as a math equation. So now what are the ingredients to construct a math model? Let's take the law of demand as an example. If written as a math model, the demand equation in general is written as quantity as a function of price. And the model, the equation, the demand equation would specifically look as quantity equals to A minus BP. So based on this second equation, so this is the first equation, the first form and the second form. Based on the second form here, we will try to define the ingredients of a math model. The first one is variable. We know that the law of demand talks about the relation between quantity demanded and price. So the variable are quantity and price. Now, what is the second ingredients? From this second equation, there is A and B. A and B is called as parameter, or it is also known as coefficient, or sometimes is said to be a constant. Coefficient is usually used as a term for the number, the constant that is attached in a variable. Here is a coefficient. But a parameter or coefficient is sometimes called as a constant. Why? Because it comes or it appears as a value. Let's say from the example 30 minus 2p. You see here that A becomes 30 and B is 2. So it's a constant number. That's why it's called a constant. Here you have understand what are the ingredients that construct a math model. There are only two, variable and parameter. Another important note that I would like, one more. We also have discussed in my previous video that there are two types of variable: independent variable and dependent variable, independent versus dependent variable, and endogenous or endogenous variable versus exogenous variable. You can see in my other video about the definition on those terms of variable. And the important note that I would like to talk here is the convention in writing down parameter. So mathematician has agreed that to help people from confusion, not mixing up between variable and parameter. So if you are faced with this equation, some people have a hard time in defining which one is parameter and which one are the variable. So as a convention, parameter is usually written as a small letter, or sometimes we use Greek letters. So we can also write this as Q equals to alpha plus beta P. While variable they are written as capital letter. Another key about exogenous variable, it is given a subscript 0. Yeah. So for this equation, it can be written as Q equals to A minus B, P0, to denote that the P is the exogenous variable and Q is the endogenous variable.